Hello, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I, Shayamdeep, welcome you all. Today I will tell you about a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives ZIIEI. The name of this particular zero investment idea is Who Am I? From the case study Learning Through Games. Now this particular case study and the idea has been given by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Before I go into the implementation of this particular idea, let's talk about why this idea is so important. Now we all know that playing comes very naturally for the children, and at the same time, if games become an integral part of the education system, it automatically motivates the child to learn more, pay more attention, and of course to take part more in classroom activities. Now let's talk about the implementation of this particular idea. But before that, the preparations in order to implement this idea. To implement this idea, small paper strips are cut in which names of maybe famous personalities, fruits, birds, animals and other things are written. Now let's talk about the implementation of this idea. For implementing this particular idea, the teacher calls maybe 7 to 8 students and they are asked to form a circle. One of the students come in the middle. A paper strip in which some name is written is pinned to the back of that particular student. Now that student asks the other students who are standing in the circle the question, who am I? The other student standing in the circle gives him or her clues. Let's take an example. Suppose on a piece of paper it is written peacock. Now when the student standing in the middle asks the question, who am I? The other standing in the circle gives him clues like, for example, your wings are so beautiful. You dance before it rains. Now that particular student has to guess and he has to answer, I am a peacock. Now like this, terms are given to other students too. Now in this way, a very interesting activity is conducted inside the classroom. Let's now talk about the benefit of this particular activity. This particular activity increases the brainstorming ability of a particular child. At the same time, it increases their imagination power and also their listening capability. I hope you like this particular innovative idea and you will surely implement this in your respective classrooms. If you want to see more of such ideas, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you.